Hi Jeepers! Explore a realm of specialized accessories. Jeep Wrangler designed for your adventurous spirit. Whether you're seeking rugged upgrades for off-road or sleek additions for urban flair, these accessories will turn your Wrangler into ultimate embodiment of Jeep lifestyle. From durable equipment built for challenging landscapes to stylish modifications, there's an option to satisfy every Wrangler fan. Please subscribe for even more videos. Spruce up your ride with some holiday pizzazz. Festive touch for your vehicle, car wreath with lights. Adorn your car's grille with this delightful wreath, radiating holiday cheer day and night, thanks to its magical LED lights. Sturdy wreath is built for all weather conditions, making it perfect for any road trip or drive around town. With an adorable 11-inch size, a red bow, and 20 bright LED bulbs, it's not just a decoration, it's an instant mood lifter. Installing is breeze. Simply plug its 16-foot cord into any standard 12-volt power port. Watch as your car transforms into beacon of holiday festivity. Heavy-duty addition to your gear. Is more than just a garbage receptacle, it's a beast. Stores mountains of trash and makes disposal easy with standard 30-gallon trash bags. Bag features a universal X-strap that fits standard-size tires up to 40 inches at MT, making it a versatile companion for a variety of vehicles. Made from reinforced 1680 denier canvas, it has a waterproof interior, durable buckles and a UV-resistant nylon sheath with reflective stripes for added safety, especially when navigating in dark. Worried about leaks? Metal drainage holes at bottom handle unexpected liquid issues and even make washing a breeze. Just toss it in your car washer machine. Bags got you covered with tactical mall straps and reinforced mesh pocket, providing extra space for tools and gear. Even in a bear encounter, rest assured, scratches on the reflective strip might be the only sign of a wild night. Center Console Gear Storage Box Ultimate Storage Solution. Crafted from robust steel, it's built tough to outlast flimsy plastic options. With a perfect fit for Jeep Wrangler JLJLU 2/4 door 2018-2023 and Gladiator JT Truck Sahara Rubicon Freedom Sports, box seamlessly complements your vehicle's interior. Easy to install beside the front passenger seat, it won't disrupt seat adjustments, ride comfort, or seat belt buckles. Gear tray adds extra storage space for essentials like phones, keys, gloves, and paperwork, keeping your interior organized and clutter-free. We've all experienced peril of precariously placed beverages tipping over in the console or struggling to see maps on our phone screens while driving. 2-in-1 phone mount allows drivers to safely see their phone screen and have beverages within reach while on the road. Locate 2 adjacent air conditioning, heating vents in your Jeep Wrangler JKU. These are typically found near the center of the dashboard. Make sure there is room for the width of the device's sturdy base clip to fit over the vents. Fit spring-loaded clips on the base piece over each vent. Adjust the width for your vents and firmly press so both clips are securely holding vents in place. Choose the desired height for the phone mount arm by pressing the adjustment button on the side and extending the segments. Lock it into the placement that positions your phone most visibly and conveniently. Attach the phone holder to the top of the now securely installed arm base. Most smartphones can fit into the holder's side clips, which are covered in a soft rubber, silicone composite to prevent phone surface damage. If desired for holding drinks, press fit the included separate cup holder piece onto the end of arm. Insert your phone into upright stand inside this piece to function as both phone mount and cup holder. Everything can be neatly detached and stored in included bag when not in use. That's it. Multi-function Jeep JK phone and cup holder installs in just a few minutes without any tools or permanent modifications required. Simply clip on and adjust for optimum utility. Passengers can take advantage of the mount too thanks to adjustable angles and heights of the long support arm. Set the drink holder up front or swing the arm to back seat for movie watching convenience. With today's modern vehicles, thoughtful accessories for multi-purpose use deserve a spot inside. This is an inexpensive way to vastly improve comfort and keep drivers' hands on wheel and eyes on road. Let's face it, Wranglers aren't exactly known for their expansive interiors, and that's where this organizer comes to the rescue. With iconic American flag design, it's more than just a storage edition, it's a patriotic statement. Tailored specifically for 2018 to 2024 Jeep Wrangler JLJLU4Z and Jeep Gladiator JT 2-door and 4-door models. From change to credit cards, mobile phones to paper towels, sunglasses, and more, this nifty accessory holds it all. Crafted from top-quality ABS material, it's lightweight, sturdy, and easy to clean. With a 2 mm thickness, it won't interfere with opening and closing armrest. And installation? Simply hook it onto the console's edge without the need for glues or holes. It's a snug fit without the hassle. Designed thoughtfully, it won't obstruct your handbrake usage or water cup placement. Its flat shape cleverly expands storage without causing inconvenience. Made to keep your essentials in place and your Wrangler's interior tidy, storage organizer flaunts an OEM-like textured black finish that seamlessly blends with your factory setup. Dashboard organizer tray box designed to be perfect match for your Jeep Wrangler JKJKU from 2011 to 2017. Precision crafted from premium ABS plastic and polished to resist warping and corrosion. Forget mess and fuss of adhesives. With only a trusty screwdriver and a simple screw, this tray box finds its perfect spot on your dashboard, promising a steady and secure fit. Now, let's talk functionality. Opens up extra room for your odds and ends, from paper towels and sunglasses to your mobile phone and loose change. Worried about the little things sliding around? Fear not. JK Storage Box comes with a sliding lid to maintain your privacy and prevent any mishaps with those tiny items, promising a safer and more secure driving experience. So, are you ready to transform your Jeep's interior into an organized and hassle-free space? Tray Box isn't just an addition, it's a changer for your Jeep Wrangler JKJKU, promising added convenience without compromising your style or ride. So, Jeep lovers, it's time to check out an innovative solution designed to transform your Jeep Wrangler JK experience, the DP4 front door storage pockets. Let's talk installation. No messy adhesives or flimsy, snap methods. Updated door pockets are securely secured with screws, ensuring they stay in place without causing undue wobble or breakage. It's all about stability and durability that will give you peace of mind while traveling in your Jeep. Have you ever been annoyed by those sagging, useless nets in your Jeep? There will be no more of this mess. Cool storage pockets will keep your door storage neat and tidy without any annoying sagging, giving you more space to store essentials for everyday life on the go. Speaking of which, door pockets are perfect place to stash your daily essentials, paper towels, bottled water, smartphones, sunglasses, hand creams, wallets, keys and more. And pockets are made of high-quality ABS material and have a smooth black texture. And not only do they provide an extra level of convenience, but they also blend seamlessly with your Jeep's aesthetic, enhancing that wild off-road vibe you love so much. Ready to declutter your Jeep and add some practicality to your everyday adventures? Of course yes. Front door storage pockets are not a simple replacement. They are a complete game changer for your Jeep Wrangler JK. Get organized, and let these clever storage pockets change your Jeep life. Now, imagine this. You're heading off-road, navigating rough terrains, or simply need an extra hand getting in and out of your lifted Jeep. Let's kick things off with compatibility. They are perfect fit for a wide range of Jeep models, from the Gladiator to Wrangler. No need to fret about whether they'll suit your vehicle. They're designed to mesh seamlessly with 2 to 4 inch padded and non-padded roll bars. Handles are here for you, offering sturdy grip that can take on any bumps or twists the trail throws your way. Crafted to endure ruggedness of off-road adventures, handles boast a design that blends resilience and comfort. Constructed with 2 tough nylon ropes woven into robust double cobra knot, complemented by durable Oxford cloth and upgraded metal buckles, they're ready for ride. Not only do they resist tears and abrasions, but they also provide comfortable and reliable grip, ensuring you feel secure during every drive. With triple hook and loop fastener straps seamlessly passing through metal buckles, handles can be securely fitted onto your Jeep's roll bar in minutes. No need to fuss with removing the roof. It's simple, effortless, and ready to roll with you wherever your Jeep journey takes you. No more worn, torn or flimsy stock straps. Adjustable door stops are designed to last. Made from durable nylon webbing, they are a perfect fit for Jeep Wrangler TJ, JK and JL models built from 2000 to 2018 and can support whopping 1,000 pounds. What makes these straps stand out? Well, they're not just about durability. They offer a custom fit with a sprinkle of versatility. Featuring multiple pockets, straps give you the freedom to adjust according to your preference. It's the perfect upgrade for those seeking a different aesthetic for their beloved Jeep. Door cup holder for your Jeep. Ultimate solution to keep your drinks secure and steady while you cruise. It's designed with clever slotted layout, ensuring your beverage stays put without blocking defrost port. That means no more wrestling with cups that block the airflow, allowing that perfect balance of warm or cool air to reach your window. Specifically tailored for 2018 to 2024 Jeep Wrangler JLJ LU4Z and Gladiator across all models, cup holder is here to make your driving experience more enjoyable. Using original car door screws makes for rock-solid setup that won't budge even on bumpiest trails. Its adjustable base is cherry on top, accommodating various cup and bottle sizes. Whether you prefer Yeti Ramblers, Hydro Flask, Nalgene's, or containers between 2.2 to 3.1 inches, Holder's got you covered. It even snugly fits most 12 to 26-ounce bottles, ensuring your favorite drinks are within arm's reach for those thrilling road adventures. Links to all products from video are provided below. And remember to hit that subscribe button for more content.